Okay, nice MT-09's just come in. We know the last owner well. He's a very fussy bike owner, only likes nice things. So it's got a radiator guard, downpipe's really clean. It's come in like this. He put the engine cage on it, said it was actually cheaper than doing R&G crash bungs, so he stuck that on. It's got ABS, wheels look lovely. It's had a DECAT exhaust put on. Front tyre's good. He did get a set of scrubs, he said, for the summer because they're stickier, more fun to ride it. So this one hasn't been around the track, but it's just had the track tyres put on it. Short levers, nice grips, pure screen, nice little blue inserts there. No damage on the crash bars. It's a really nice, clean bike. He did give us the original tyres, so we've seen those. It's got the little bobbins. Shop looks nice. It's not rusty. Plenty of life on the rear tyre. Have a bit of fun with that. It's got a tail tidy. We'll put a proper number plate on it, make it legal. It's got carbon fibre protector. Nice little, what is it? I know he said he had it specially made. Max torque exhaust. And so it's got the DECAT on it. Got a charging lead there. It's also got a steering damper. It's quite unusual on these, but that's nice. It can get a little bit light on the front end. Oh, need to go and find the keys. A little tour of the showroom. Let's find the keys. Diddly-dink. Choice, where's it gone? There we go. Reese's MT-09. Sorry for that little interlude. He also said he had a genuine Yamaha USB put on it. 8,363 miles, so a nice low mileage bike.